This is the Kyvol robot vacuum cleaner. It is a vacuum cleaner and it is a robot. Cool beans. It comes with a charging dock, a remote control, a couple of these spinner thingies, a cleaning brush, and a magnetic strip that acts as a virtual wall, and it comes with an extra air filter. The vacuum cleaner also comes with an app that can be used to control the robot. So overall, the robot does a really great job at cleaning the carpet. One really nice thing about this robot vacuum cleaner is that it goes in a back and forth pattern. So this optimizes the effectiveness of the vacuum, and it overall leaves the carpet just looking really nice, kind of like a freshly manicured lawn. The robot is easily able to maneuver around objects, and because it has a low profile, it can even go under beds and under other furniture. There are sensors on the robot, so it will actually slow down when it gets near an object, so you don't have to worry about this damaging furniture or anything like that. The sensors are sensitive enough that it even avoids my really thick rug. So to fully test this out, I tried it in a really nasty hallway that I have near my garage, and I haven't vacuumed in like forever. So it actually ended up doing a really fantastic job of picking up everything, and it left the hallway cleaner than it's been in years. One of the greatest things about this robot vacuum cleaner is that the app for this is actually better than other apps I've used on other robot vacuum cleaners that I have. So the app allows you to start and stop the vacuum cleaner, and then in the settings you can select the suction levels, and you can also select cleaning modes. You can use the app to schedule when to automatically run the vacuum. There is even a button to help you find your vacuum in case you lose it, and it just causes the vacuum to beep. The app can show you alerts, and it can also show you some historical data of what it has cleaned in the past. While the robot is cleaning, it will show you a map of where it has cleaned, as well as how much square footage it has cleaned and how long it has been cleaning for. The vacuum also comes with a tool to help you remove hair and lint from the brush, and the dustbin is really easy to remove and empty. So overall, I've been really impressed with this robot. The robot itself is very similar to other robots I've used in this price range. The features that set this robot vacuum cleaner apart, however, are that it has really precise sensors, it comes with a magnetic strip, and the app is just much better than I've seen on other robot vacuum cleaners. The one thing that I do find lacking with this robot vacuum cleaner is that it only has one side brush spinny thing. So this brush is effective for removing objects from wall corners, but with only one brush, it's only half as effective as robot vacuum cleaners that have two brushes. Thanks for watching. Let me know if you have any questions about this robot vacuum cleaner. You can post a question below, and I will go ahead and in the video description post a link below to this robot vacuum cleaner so you can check out the current price on Amazon. Thanks.